Hello everyone. I hope every one of you is doing well. Today the topic in this video will be about OSI model. The abbreviation of OSI model is Open System Interconnection. So, so have you ever wondered how your messages, memes, pictures, or videos travels from one place to another in any part of the world? Like for example, how a brother in the picture given below is sending messages, memes, pictures, or videos from New York, USA to all the way to his brother who lives in Sydney, Australia, successfully and instantly, is the OSI model in action. In this video, I will break it down with a super simple example like sending a package from one place to another so you can understand how data moves across the network step by step. Let's make it simple. So the messages, pictures, memes and videos all travel through a network using OSI model, although not as standalone objects. Instead, they are converted into digital data bits and passed through the OSI layers for transmission across a network. So let's go through a breakdown how they travel through the OSI model. Let's start with application layer. In application layer, you choose a meme in WhatsApp or Instagram. After that, the app prepares the data. Then it goes to the presentation layer. Through presentation layer, data is compressed, encrypted. Like for example, it is compressed to JPEG for pictures and MP4 for the videos. And after that, it goes to the session layer. A session is established between the sender and the receiver. And after that, it goes to the transportation layer. And that data is broken into segments. And that TCP or UDP handles a reliable delivery. And after that, it goes to the network layer. In this, segments are placed into packets. IP assigns source and destination addresses. And after that, it goes to the data link layer. Packets become frames. MAC addresses are added for physical delivery. And after that, it goes to the physical layer. The frames are converted into electrical light radio signals and sent over the cables, Wi-Fi, etc. So I'll give you a brief introduction of OSI model. The OSI, the abbreviation is Open System Interconnection Model, is a conceptual framework that shows how data travels through a network from one computer to another. It has 7 layers, each with a specific role. So in the OSI model, there are 7 layers. The first one is the physical layer, which are wires and signals. So what it does that it transmits raw bits over physical hardware like cables, Wi-Fi, etc. Example, the Ethernet cable, fiber optic, Wi-Fi. The second layer is the data link layer, which is MAC addresses and switching. So what it does that it structures data into frames and handles device to device delivery on the same network. The main examples are switches, MAC address, and Ethernet. The third layer is the network layer. It's all about IP addressing and routing. What it does is that it's find the best and the shortest path of the destination across the network. The example is IP addresses and routers. The fourth layer is the transportation layer. It gives a reliable delivery. What it does that it breaks the data into segments, ensure ensures all pieces arrive and reassemble them. The example is the TCP and the UDP. And the fifth layer is the session layer. It manages the session between the devices, the basic conversations like login sessions or the video call sessions. The sixth layer is the presentation layer. It translates the and encrypts the data or compresses data so the application understands it. For example, JPEG, MP3, or SSL or TLS encryption. The last layer is the application layer. It is what the users see through the interface. It interfaces directly with user applications like web browsers, email clients, or like SMTP, file sharing like file transfer protocol, or web browsers through like HTTP. So, in a simple note, the application layer is all about using apps that send and receive their data, like the web browsers, like Chrome, Firefox, email apps, etc. The presentation layer is all about format and encrypting data. Uh, uh, the everyday tools and examples are SSL, TLS, JPEG, MP4, or a zip file. In the session layer, it's like starts and manages the connection. The tools which are used are NetBIOS, remote desktop, or API sessions. The fourth layer is all about the transport layer, ensures reliable delivery. It's all about TCP, UDP, Wireshark to monitor data. The next is the network layer. It's find the best and shortest path. The tools which are used are like the IP addresses, routers, ping or trace route. The next layer is the data link layer, handles device to device delivery. Like the tools which are used and the examples which can be used are MAC addresses, Ethernet switches, Wireshark. The last and the final layer is the physical layer. It sends bits through wires. The examples are the cables, Wi-Fi, network interface cards, and hubs. So, from the seventh to fifth layer, which is all about the application, presentation, and session layer, the tools are used are the web browsers, SSH, SSL, Telnet, FTP clients. The fourth layer is all about the transport layer like Wireshark, Netstat, Nmap. These are the tools which are used. The next layer is the network layer. It's all about ping, trace route, IP config, routers. These are the tools are used in the network layer. The data link layer is all about MAC address lookup tools, Ethernet switches. These are the tools which are used in the data link layer. And the final layer is the physical layer. The tools which are used are cable testers, NICs, and the Wi-Fi analyzers. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it and understood all about the OSI model, like how a certain data is moved from one place to another. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my video in my YouTube channel. Thank you.